Hi guys. So now we'll see create an agent using Salesforce DX. So we have two units. We'll see one by one. The first one is get started with the Agentforce DX. So first what we have to do, you need to create a new Salesforce org. You know how to create, just click on this, just to provide the details and you will get the email. Then you have to verify the account. Right. So once you verified, so then after you have to connect that new org with your trailhead playground. That's it. And then after, so what we have to do, just launch that org. This is the org I created. Just launch that org. Right. So next what we have to do, so we need to enable Einstein setup. First, Einstein setup. Just you can go here left side setup. In the quick find box, in the quick find box, we have a Einstein setup. Just enter the Einstein setup. Just enable. Turn on Einstein. Turn on Einstein. And then after, so we have to enable Agentforce agents also, right? So just we can go here, Agentforce agents. Just select the Agentforce agents. Right. So top right, we have Agentforce is gonna enable this. So once you enable here in the bottom, we have enable the Agentforce that is by default agent, just to have to enable this one also. Done. Got it? And then next what we have to do, so we need to create a Salesforce DX project. Salesforce DX project. You know how to install the Visual Studio Code, right? So just install the Visual Studio Code, and then after, what you have to do, you have to create a project. You have to create a project. What was the project name? That is a Salesforce DX. Open the Visual Studio Code. Just click on here, Control Shift P, Control Shift P. Here we have a create a project, right? So what was the name? What was the name? Salesforce DX. Just hit on the enter button and you have to select the location. I'm going to select here the desktop. That's it. So I created a new project. I created a new project. Next step. So what was the next step? Okay. So we done. We created. Next, what we have to do, we need to authorize the org. We need to authorize the org. Right. So here, so Agentforce, what was the org alias? That is the Agentforce. Now go here and Control Shift P. Then after we have a authorize an org. Authorize an org. What was alias? Agentforce. Just hit on the enter. It will open your browser. Right. So here what we have to do, you need to enter what was the account you created, what was the org you created, enter the username and password. Then click on here login. Right, click on here allow. Done. So we successfully connected our DX to my Salesforce DX to my Salesforce org. Done. Next, next, next. Okay, so in the terminal, what we have to do, just we have to enter SF search, right? So just we can go here Visual Studio Code, right? Visual Studio Code. In the bottom, here you have a terminal. Go here terminal. It's loading, right? Then just click on here, just enter the SF search. Hit on enter. Done. S of search. Done. Okay. Okay, so that's it for this unit. Just check this one. Verify the step. Done. We successfully completed the first unit. Let's move to the second unit. Here, guys, comes to the second unit. We have to create an agent. Right. So just to how to use this command, just to copy this, just to go to the Visual Studio Code. Under the terminal, just enter that. Right. So customer, right? Just hit on enter. What was the name of your company? What was the name of your company? This is Coral Cloud Resorts. Copy, paste. Next, the description. This is the description. Copy, paste. Done. So what was the role of the agent? Copy, then paste it. Right. So we successfully created the agent. Done. Right. Okay. So it's created. Just we can go to here. Right. Agent specification dot YAML is there. Just click on that. Yes, that's it. Okay, so next what we have to do, so we need to create an agent. Done. So just how to copy this command, paste that, hit on enter. What was the API? Put the name of the agent, then hit on enter. Right. So it's successfully done. Okay. So let me check what it is under the applications. Right, under the applications, we have both. See here. These are the files we created. These are the agents we created. Yes. Okay, so let me open this agent. Enter the command. Done. So we successfully open that agent, resort manager. That's it about this unit, right? So go and let me check this. Yes, we successfully created an agent through the Salesforce DX.